Packing for a trip can be overwhelming, but with the right list, you can make sure you're prepared for anything. Here's the ultimate travel packing list that works for any trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure. Start with the basics. Clothing. Pack versatile, comfortable clothes that you can mix and match, such as a few pairs of pants or shorts, lightweight shirts, and a sweater for cooler evenings. Don't forget undergarments, socks, and a swimsuit if you're headed somewhere with water. When it comes to footwear, choose a pair of walking shoes, sandals, or flip-flops, and a more formal pair if you're attending special events. Next, make sure to have toiletries, a toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, and deodorant. A small, reusable toiletry bag will keep everything organized and save you space. If you're traveling internationally, remember your passport, tickets, and any necessary visas. Keep these important documents in a travel wallet that you can easily access. For electronics, bring your phone, charger, power bank, headphones, and any adapters for different plug types. If you plan to take a lot of photos, consider packing a camera and extra memory cards. Health essentials are another must. Pack any prescription medications, pain relievers, and a first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and hand sanitizer. Don't forget sunscreen, insect repellent, and your favorite lip balm. Travel accessories like a neck pillow, eye mask, and a reusable water bottle can make long flights or bus rides more comfortable. For money, bring a combination of cash, credit cards, and a travel money card, especially if you're heading to countries with currency restrictions. Snacks are always a good idea, especially for long trips or layovers, so pack something non-perishable like nuts or granola bars. A small backpack or day pack is handy for carrying your essentials while you explore your destination. And a lock is useful for securing your luggage or locker at hostels. If you're planning to hike or engage in outdoor activities, pack appropriate gear, such as a hat, rain jacket, or hiking boots. Lastly, don't forget your personal items. A good book, journal, or a small travel guide can make downtime enjoyable. Keep your packing efficient and organized, and make sure you tailor your list to the type of trip you're taking. With these essentials, you'll be ready for any adventure, big or small. Safe travels!